Hi, my name is Daniel. I live down in Florida. I'm a firefighter and Marine Corps vet. I've been living in my house for about 7 years now. I bought it in 2010. I About a year ago or so, I suffered a off-the-job injury, which caused me to use up all my vacation and sick time, and it left me a few paychecks short, which caused me to start falling behind on my payments. Um, After a while, I was trying to catch up and keep my payments back up to normal standings. Then after failing to do so, I slipped into a bit of a depression from my PTSD from when I was in the military, and then I started drinking, and one thing led to another. Then I started falling more and more behind, and then bank stopped accepting my payments, and that's when I found Anthony and Lynette. Right away, Anthony was very knowledgeable, helped me out any way I could, told me exactly what I needed to do, and from then on, he contacted me every other day, making sure I was doing what I needed to do. If I had any questions, he jumped right on it. And once he connected me with Lynette. Lynette pretty much worked tirelessly, from what it seemed on my end, getting everything that she needed from me and working hard and kind of reporting back to me. And if I ever had any questions, it wasn't more than a day that I either got an email or a phone call from her. Since then, Anthony has helped me out, with questions on more than just my house. I had other stuff I needed, that was going on in my life, and he kind of listened to me, heard all my problems, and kind of kept me sane from this whole entire process. It took about 4 months before everything was finally settled and done, and everything's going back on track. So I'm all healed. Back to working. Was able to save up some more money and starting to make my payments on time. And if it wasn't for Anthony and for Lynette, then at the Roosevelt Law Firm, then I don't think any of this would have ever happened. I was probably 13 or 14 months behind before they got involved. So if it wasn't for them, then I'd probably be packing all my stuff and leaving the first house I ever bought. So if it wasn't for them, I don't know what I'd do. Thanks, guys.